Hi students, in this session, the sample space is interesting. It is that of rolling a die. Or dice, either you can roll it once or you can roll it twice. Rolling it twice or rolling two dice simultaneously is both the same. So, இதனுடைய sample space பார்த்தோம்னா ஒரு தடவை roll பண்ணீங்கன்னா totally 6 faces are there in a cube. So 1 to 6 வரைக்கும் 6 numbers வரைக்கும் possibility இருக்கு. So what is the sample space for this one அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா you can either get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So numbers, total number in the sample space is nothing but 6 possibilities. அதுவே rolling a die twice அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா ரெண்டு dice நீ roll பண்ற அப்படின்னு சொன்னா first throwல you will get one number and second throwல you will get another number இல்லையா? So இந்த ரெண்டு throwவோட combination தான் it is given over here. See first throwல இருக்குதுன்னா it is over here whereas second throwல என்ன வருதோ அது இங்க. So first throwல 1 வந்து second throwலயும் 1 வந்துனா then it is 1,1. First throwல 1, second throwல 2 na 1,2. Like that, combinations பாத்தீங்கன்னா totally 6 cross 6 which is equal to 36 combinations are possible. So 36 possibilities எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா, so the sample space you can take it as 36 and the sample space கான இந்த box you should have to put ஏன்னா இதுல இருக்கிற elements தான் the possibilities அப்படின்னு mention பண்றதுக்காக. இதுல after doing this combination I am drawing another tabulation like this. In the tabulation பாத்தீங்கன்னா it gives you the sum total. See 1 plus 1 என்னமா? It is 2. Again இந்த இடத்துல 1 plus 2 it is 3. Here 1 plus 3 4. Like that. So the sum total of the two dices together is given in this table. So in the table is for the sum. இப்ப interesting part in the sum என்ன அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த diagonalல 2. Again in the diagonal it is 3. Again the next diagonal you can see it is 4, next diagonal 5, correct? So and the sum total pathina in how many scenarios is the sum total 5? Possibility number 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 4 scenarios. So event is 4. 4 out of 36 na eduthuvinga. Correct? What is the possibility or what is the probability of getting the sum to be 6 அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா 6 வரதுக்கு 1 2 3 4 5 in 5 possibilities இருக்கு. So 5 out of 36 னு எழுதுவோம். Like that. So in the sum வச்சு they might ask what is the possibility or probability of getting the sum total to be greater than 7? Greater than 7 na in the line 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 இதெல்லாமே வரும். So in the line பாத்தீங்கன்னா there are 5 combinations. So 5 plus 4 9 plus 3 12 plus 2 14 and then last one 15. So அதனுடைய possibility என்னமா? It is 15 cases. So probability என்ன எழுதுவீங்க? 15 out of 36 னு எழுதுவீங்க. Correcta? So depending upon the question we'll be using these two tables alternatively. So this is our first question. Two different dice are tossed together. Find the probability of getting a doublet, a prime number on each die and getting a number greater than 3 on each die or a total of 9 or 11. So first getting a doublet. Doublet na rendu dice new same number should be available. See 1,1, 2,2, 3,3, 4,4, 5,5, 6,6. Diagonal la totally 6 elements are there. So what is the event sample space? The event sample space is, so the number of elements in your event is nothing but equal to 6 divided by, so what is the probability? Probability is nothing but this divided by number in the sample space. Sample space evadama 36. So 6 out of 36. So that will be 1 by 6. So what is the probability? 1 by 6 is the answer. And probability is expected to be written in decimals. So the answer for this one in decimal is 0.1666 it goes on. So decimal value is lying between 0 and 1 and our answer as well. You can check out 6 possibilities out of the total 36. So 1 by 6 which is equivalent to 0.1666. Question number 2. A prime number on each dice. So idhula parunga prime numbers edellama prime numbers. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 correct? 2, 3, 5 இது மூணுமே prime numbers. ரெண்டு diceலயும் இந்த prime number இருக்க scenarios எதுன்னு பார்க்கணும். இப்போ இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2,2 is a worthy combination. அதே மாதிரி 3,2 ஏன்னா எதுன்னு மட்டும் நீ block பண்ண 2, 3 and 5. அதே மாதிரி இங்க 2, 3, 5. இந்த combination இதுவும் combine ஆகிற இடங்கள். So you will have 2, 3, 2, 5. அதே மாதிரி இங்க 3, 3, 3, 5. Same way over here 5, 2, 5, 3 and 5, 5. See, you can see how many elements are there? 9 in all. ஏன்னா இங்க 3 and இங்க 3. அப்போ combination பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 3 cross 3 which is 9 elements னு வரும். அப்போ number of events, which is it? Number of events in which the prime number occurs on each die அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா it is 9. And the sample space is what? It is 36. So what is the probability? See, I have not written all the elements of the sample space of the events because I have marked it out here. You have to take it out, write it separately and then write the answer if in case you are not placing a separate table for that. நீ table போட்டு அதில் தான் mark பண்ணணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. You can always write this as a sample space. Like the event is 2, 2 like that. அந்த மாதிரி ஒவ்வொரு எலிமெண்ட்டையும் மொத்தம் 9 எலிமெண்ட்ஸையும் இவெண்டோட சாம்பிள் ஸ்பேஸாக எழுதிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்பர் ஆஃப் எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் இந்த இவெண்ட் இஸ் 9 அப்படின்னு மென்ஷன் பண்ணிட்டு ஸோ ப்ராபபிலிட்டி என்னது number of events divided by number in the sample space. Correcta? So it is 9 out of 36. Or you can say 1 and 4. So 1 by 4 which is equal to how much? 0.25 is your answer. The next subdivision is getting a number greater than 3 on each die. So in the same tabulation பார்த்தீங்கன்னா greater than 3 அப்படின்ற லெவல்ல வர்றது 4, 5 and 6. அதே மாதிரி இங்க greater than 3 னா 4, 5, 6. இது வந்து 3 இங்கேயும் 3. So 3 cross 3 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா totally 9 elements. இந்த block ஃபுல்லாவே வரும் greater than 3 ல. Okay. So all these 9 elements have got greater than 3 on each of the die. அப்போ number of events அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா it is 3 cross 3 totally 9 here as well and number of elements in the sample space is totally 6 cross 6 which is 36. So the probability is n of e divided by n of s which is equal to 9 by 36 which is 1 by 4 and finally you get 0.25 for this answer as well. The fourth subdivision, a total of 9 or 11. ரெண்டுத்துல எதா வேணா இருக்கலாம். So 9 or 11. So 9 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த crossல இருக்கு and 11 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த cross. So இதுல எத்தனை elements இருக்குமா? Sum total to be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 scenarios are possible in which the sum will be 9 and 2 scenarios are possible in which the sum will be 11. So எந்த conceptல வருது? This 9 comes over here. So உங்களோட actually event ஓட sample space என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இதெல்லாம் and also here 11க்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இதெல்லாம். So you have to write what is it? Event கான sample space பார்த்தோம்னா it is 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4, 6, 3, again 5, 6 for 11 and 6, 5. So how many number of elements in the sample space? நம்மளோட event கான spaceல என்னென்ன elements இருக்கு? Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. அதே மாதிரி total sample spaceல number of elements is 6 cross 6 which is 36. So what is the probability? Probability is equal to 6 by 36 which is 1 by 6 which is equal to 0.166 it goes on. So this is the probability value that we have achieved to get a total of 9 or 11. So I hope you have got a clear understanding of rolling dice and the probability that arises out of it. Please make a note of the questions and try to answer it by yourselves. Thank you, students.